Okay, so crochet got tupla way low. Starting with something from earrings to bags or clothes or one something. You got tupla way. So one pla way and chain and me so in finish lo narapla video. So this la video but me so you pla second pla way, yeah, which is magic ring. So lo make a magic ring and by you start him one kind of how you start him slip knot gonna make him chain go, yeah, but um but go different like. So just let me talk. Suppose you know idea stret you rope one kind of you miss start him all chain blue yeah. You put the tail the rope this la end the rope and tail. Now this la rope attach go the rest of the rope yeah, not yellow but white and stand on it um desk. So this is what I mean. One kind of slip knot there. The chain tail the rope by putting antalo finger. Hold round him the finger blue. Now because a magic ring. Now ring meaning ring, but you need to make him a big pla. So maybe you can use him triple finger blue. Or sometimes you can use the four pla too. So me use it triple. So you round him, tail blue rope stop you round him triple finger come the front, crossover stop you pinch him, just like chain you last start him yeah. Then this la round him the finger yeah, rope you rouse him come outside, loop stop, name rope by you walk one time yeah. So put the hook blue through the loop, by pull your rope by you walk yeah. By you pull him come the back side the M, and then pull him come on top of the front. One kind of same chain me so you play yeah, suppose you watch the video. So you put the hook through the loop, go grab him rope, pull him, come underneath the loop yeah, and then pull him come on talo front once you come na melo loop. Okay, so this la rope you pull him come inside there. You put the pointer finger I believe on top, press him against him hook stop. This la hap where you pinch him on the thumb blue and you still holding the stop. No can rouse him hand. Now pointer blue I'm going to tap this la new loop you pull him now shall come inside low. This la loop yeah. So rope by you walk on them I'm stop yeah. So the easiest way the you back can rouse him hand ogata na hold him ogata something. The you this la hap you thumb blue you hold him stop yeah. You drop him go down and then you pick him up this la rope by you walk on them yeah. You pick him up. So meaning time to drop him go down meaning you rouse him finger blue la hap you hold him yeah, so that you can hold him rope yeah. Now you make him chain strong him this la magic ring. So hand blue stop your thumb yeah. You rouse him. Rouse your hand blue come outside. Now you grab him la rope you walk yeah. Pull him on top. Pointer blue still stop it la this la rope you. Sorry, rope you pull him through the loop yeah. And you still hold him that stuff. Now once you pull him come on top now you hold him on them. Rope you walk yeah, you hold him na low. Pointer na ring middle finger blue. Na thumb blue na ring finger yeah, go back and hold him this la tail rope yeah. Hold him against him this la loop yeah. So I'm gonna not loose. Now suppose you feeling I'm confusing too much or I'm hard. take time blue na practice him. Suppose you new plan me make a tutorial blue you new plan where you know got idea stret lem. So Amber take him practice. But you can kiss him up. Han blue not feel like awkward or kind of semlo. Hold him rope na. Drop him hariap or drop him easy or kind of say na pick him up. So no can worry. Suppose you feel him as Han blue no cooperate one time. One something you try to make him. Amber practice you go now and come up right. And first time you lainim to him, you trust me. You will feel as your hands are not listening to you or they have their own brain. Anyway, so you hold him awesome now. This a rope blue you where you walk lemme, you pick him up, yeah. By you round him, na pull him through this little loop where you pick him up, come on top, yeah, where you hold him on them. Point up blue stop, yeah. So you rope by you walk on them, yeah. You pull him click, na give him click 10 cents. And by you see the walk or otherwise no can be see you can make him a and you can adjust him. So now you can put the hook blue, rouse him pointer on top of the finger, pointer on top of the finger, pointer you put the on top of the hook here, you can rouse him. Now you put the hook blue go underneath the rope by walk here. Round him, now pull him through this loop. Now a magic ring come up here. Yes, this like a magic ring. Trust me, it looks like nothing, but that's how all other stitches start from. So from here, you can adjust him one kind of a slip knot there. You can make it go big or go little, and you can make him the magic ring. Okay, so me rousing can about me say run through can how to make a magic ring. Round the triple finger, cross over here, you pinch him on the thumb you. Just like you round your finger here, pull him come outside. Rub by walk one time here, by you hook him, pull him come underneath the loop here, and then up front, come on top of the front. You still hold him your thumb you crossover stuff, yeah? Right? So hook through, grab him rope by you walk here, pull him underneath. Once you come to normal, you pull him come on top. Come on top now. Pointer finger blue, put him on top of this rope, you pull him come on top, yeah? Until the hook here, hold him stop. Not gonna lose him. So this is how we talk. You will lose him. Drop it thumb, you have you hold him here, drop him go down, pick him up, rope by you walk one time, yeah? So pointer finger blue, step until the hook. You lose him, you see, pick him properly, put him gonna mellow. Finger awesome. Pointer, sorry, thumb, ring finger, go back and look up. Tail, na half loop, up tail, na half loop the rope to crossover meet them, yeah. Thumb, you go back and want them. Ring finger, yeah, wish. Ring finger, yeah, go back and pinch him, la awesome stuff. With your pointer finger still step on top lo hook blue, yeah. Now when you go lo rope by you walk, yeah. But you round him, now pull him through this loop, yeah. So you can rouse it pointer blue, grab him rope, pull him through. Now half you hold him low. Thumb blue, you can rouse him. Now magic ring, yeah. Again, me talk but no not look so something, but that's how crochet starts. All right, so a magic ring now. Lo adjust him by pulling tail lo rope, yeah. Make him go lick. All right, so from this magic ring, now let's say you make it one block. single crochet. Last plus stitch here, you showing you play single crochet. So let's say you make a single crochet. So from here, magic ring start here, you make a single crochet. We put the hook through the front, go underneath also the magic ring here, go grab him rope by you okay, you grab him, okay, you pull him can come underneath, come the rod how you go here, you pull him through can come on top. Okay, so me show you want the finger, now me show you want the hook. So magic ring stop here. This la last bla chain you make him here closing this la magic ring here. Which inside the crochet you don't have counting as a stitch. Every time you make a magic ring blue, you don't have counting. I'm just like a knot strong in this ring blue. So okay, back to single crochet. So hook inside the magic ring. Now first time blue, it helps that you still hold him. It helps to hold him ring you on them finger blue, so you feel him also you got control of him. Otherwise, you don't need to hold him, you can just drop him. Now hold him rope by work one ten tassel, yeah. Hold him. Now me say you play how to hold him rope, yeah. Now I'm back coming handy now. You round him the finger, yeah. Me to give him 5 centimeter and around him, yeah. You go around him also. Okay, so go back and single crochet. You'll make a single crochet until a magic ring. Hook through the ring. Go grab him rope, pull him underneath. Come through the rope here, one, pull him underneath. Come once you come now, the loop now, you pull him come on top. You still hold him rope, but you walk one time, you hold him at stop. Now you got two pla loop until the hook here. So you can finish him off single crochet. Round him rope, pull him through. Now first the single crochet blue and come up inside low. Don't tell me you blood white is too bright. Okay, so first the single crochet and come up inside the magic ring. So in first one step, narap again. Hook through the magic ring, round him, pull him come underneath, pull him come on top. Dupla step, round him low rope, pull him through. And second one. Narap again, number 3. So suppose you look him na ito, okay, you got this side, you got 2 plus side rope na. This side got 1 plus shawl. Suppose you found which one to put him hook blue through. It's always best to put the hook blue go underneath the 2 plus one time. So go underneath the 2 plus, grab him, pull him, come on top, round him, pull him through him. Narap single. So 1, 2, 3. So lo hold him good magic ring blue and make him more stitches go. You look him so you got 1, 2 plus stitch come up now. Okay, you can hold him the end plus stitch here. So you got more grip the rope blue now. You make him. Put him hook go underneath. Magic ring stop, yeah. You hold him. The hook go underneath the rope. Round him. Pull him go underneath can. Come until the front. 2 plus loop until the hook stop, yeah. Round him. Pull him through the 2 plus. Okay, so you look at him tail the rope him unravel na. Look at him come out na. So you look at him now. Let's stret him walk blue you. puli tail rope. Hold him last stitch you make you start by hold him now pull him. And for make your ring here go lick. Now you can continue. No, this la white I'm looking also too bright or what is going on? Great. If this is too bright now, light there. You play hard look him when something me meaning okay. Somebody talks away. But me can make him can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus stop. You can make him as many as you want. 7, 8, 9, 10. So me just make him 10 plus first one, so 10 plus single crochet. So once you make him now, you feel was enough now. Tail the rope by pulling ogata. Pull him go until no enough more you can pull him. So this now I'm close him this la space na mele. So me sew him. Me hold him hook blow me stop so but na move na me sew him me pull it tail the rope. Now I'm close him. Now I'm round the base come. So all easy plus simple earring, yeah. You can make him awesome, just adding layers gonta. So next video when we say you plan one basic earring using this la exact thing. Now I'm saying you play yellow. How to make a magic ring and by me saying you play this exact earring made from that magic ring. What now to me saying you play. But yes, this time how do you make a magic ring? So me Tokpisiin is difference. Suppose you guys have one a difference law. So to play ways, yeah, chain and you make him all something where by straight. Now magic ring and you'll make it all something where shape them round by starting on the magic ring. Yeah, this la white hair look awesome. Reflection is too much. Yeah. If it's not clear, somebody let me know and I'm gonna have to redo.